In this special episode of 2 to Love, 2 to Hate, you'll notice we have 5 tools here because one you're going to absolutely love. And we don't waste no time here. First, we're going to talk about the Klein. And what's special about this, these are called the reveripliers, the plierswrench, whatever you want to call them. The jaw flips around, but you've been a little bit misled from perhaps some other videos, because you'll notice when we flip these around and we close them fully, they are in fact not closed. And that's a problem for me. They're not ready on the fly to grab nails. You have to stop what you're doing and reverse them. Also, when I say they're smooth jaws, there's no ridges there. You have absolutely no grip. These are great for pipe, but not great for all around use, especially as an electrician. I would skip these. I don't think I would buy them again. They are kind of fun. They do have multiple features. They are heavy. You're not going to be able to bang with them or beat with them. So just keep that in mind. Now, the one to get is this knipex. Everyone knows about the knipex. No pinch point here when your channel locks are open, and that's huge. A lot of your videos, your reviews are not done by tradesmen, so they miss out on the important features. These do not have a pinch point. That's a huge feature. They grab everything. I've been beating on these things since 2008, the same pair. So they're really, really good pliers. They don't slip. They absolutely knocked it out of the park with the design, and I don't think you can get any better than these. Another one here to absolutely avoid like the plague is this new skil. It has a couple of fun features where you can angle this. These are your forward and reverse buttons here on the back side, and you can kind of see the mechanism operate on the inside. But this thing is so underpowered. You can barely even unscrew panel screws, and they are like pre-threaded. You're not even trying to cut threads or anything. So I would avoid this. $30 or $40 at Lowe's, and they can keep it. Here's another one to avoid. This is the hollow nut driver from Klein. It's the multi. The way I feel about these is kind of like the reveripliers. You're going to have to be switching the bits around. You have to switch the things around. This is good for if you want to get on a rooftop and you don't want to climb back down that ladder and you want to have every tool that you need. But for the most part, it's overweight, and you're better off just grabbing the tool that you need for the task to get the job done faster. I think you're going to spend more time with this, probably flipping the bits around and trying to find the one you want. Maybe you're putting this in your front pocket for storage, losing it later. I think that this is more cumbersome than what it's worth. You are better off just getting the right tool for the job, just grabbing what you need, getting the job done, and getting on with the task. Now, this is the one that you're going to love. This is fantastic. Look how good this magnet is. I'm going to pop this off. This is going to stay right in place. Look how good that is. Klein knocked it out of the park with this. It is 1/4 inch and 5/16. You can reverse it. You can put your other Klein nut drivers down there if you want to. It starts getting cumbersome though. So you've got a shank here that slips into your screwdriver, your impact, your drill, whatever you want to do. The best part about this, it's not sharp, so you can put it in your pocket. It's not going to stab your jeans. It's not going to stab your leather seats. There's no sharp edges here. Not going to stab your tool bag, whatever you're doing. Then it's got all the bit storage you could possibly want in here. You can add your own if you don't like it. Acts like a control screwdriver because it spins here. Nice thick handle, and it's a Klein, so you know it's built to last. This concludes the video. Quick to the point reviews. Thanks for watching. Sub for more. Keep in mind we showed 5 tools this time as a bonus for the starting of these series. The next one is going to be a lot faster. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next one.